I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing VS Code so changes are safe and reversible. Open Command Palette and Backup Settings. JSON, this preserves preferences. Make sure you have a working internet connection to fetch themes and a Microsoft or GitHub account if you enable Settings Sync. Install the latest stable VS Code release because newer versions handle color customizations more reliably. Once done, create a workspace settings file to apply pink only to specific projects and continue to theme installation. You now install a pink theme and refine it. From extensions, pick a well-rated pink theme and click Install, then select it via color theme. To fine-tune, open Settings, JSON and add Workbench. Color customizations, this changes UI accents, sidebars, and activity bar colors. Next, Edit Editor. Token color customizations to adjust syntax hues so readability stays strong on pink backgrounds. Make small incremental changes and reload the window to preview. This iteration ensures both aesthetic. You finish by locking in your pink setup and checking for problems. Save your settings. JSON, and if using Settings Sync, export so other machines match. Open diverse code files and the integrated terminal to verify contrast and token visibility. Adjust colors if some tokens blend into pink. If something breaks, extensions misbehave, or colors look off, disable recently added extensions or restore your backup settings. JSON. This quick rollback prevents long debugging sessions and gets you back to coding fast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.